As we know, sometimes we become alone. We don't have anyone to take our photos, but then we want to take photos. For that, we have facilities on camera, on mobile, that we can put our camera or mobile on self mode and we can take photos. So for making easy, I bought today one teleport. The brand is Joby Teleport 325. I used this before as well. This is very nice. I just lost this teleport 2 days before, so I bought this today as well because I like it so much. So if you guys are planning to buy this kind of portable tripod or teleport, you can buy it. This is very nice. So guys, I'm gonna unbox this teleport. Power box of teleport. There is picture which illustrates how to use this teleport. I have mobile on my right hand and I'm using my left hand to take out this teleport. This is manual. And this is teleport. This is really portable teleport. We can put it this way and we can fix the camera here and we can move any angle like this. This is to fix very strong. This looks like this, the length of the camera and teleport. The capacity of this teleport is this much. So hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, do subscribe my channel. This is Photography TV, where you can find many more videos, useful videos for you as well. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much.